Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do a parallel park again. I'm gonna roll back. I'm always looking. And then I'm turning my blinker. I'm gonna go ahead and go out. Taking my time. And we're gonna pull up by this vehicle. You see a lot of police officers here. Oh, this is the sheriff. I'm not scared. I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm gonna roll straight back. I'm gonna cut it all the way to the right. I'm gonna turn back all the way to the left. You think I'm kidding? That's the sheriff. You're gonna see it. Okay? So that's a pretty good park. But I don't want to park by the sheriff. I'm not wanted. All right, turn off my four ways. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. And this is a really good area to take clients, small downtown area. I'm gonna have a complete stop. I follow the rules anyway. I got a lot of police down here. And I'm gonna turn in really smooth, and I'm gonna turn out. Keep your turn as short as possible. I'm gonna make a right turn up here. I'll look left and right. I do have to stop. Get used to stopping and looking and checking traffic. Squeeze that brake, use the ball of your foot. Man, there's a car flying. Okay, I'm making my turn. My light turned green. Turn short. Turn out, hand over hand. You're getting some good work today. I'm gonna come up, make a right turn at this light. Sorry about the bounces here, it's a little crazy. I'm gonna go up slow, look, check, and then I'm gonna make my turn. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get you some angle park. I'm gonna pull in right here, get the car in, and that's what you have in these downtown areas. So we're in the downtown area. You have angle parking, stall parking, you have paid parking spots. Okay, I look over my shoulder. Car went by, chime, and then I turn the wheel to the right. The rear will go to the right, the front will swing out. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is make a left turn, come up to the intersection. I'm gonna go in slow. There's a lot more security down here, I noticed that. And I'm gonna stop and make a right turn. I wanna have a complete stop. I look left and right, and I have to roll forward. If I don't, I'm gonna go over the curb. Don't turn short. It's a nice motorcycle. And then I turn out hand over hand. If you really wanna learn how to park, I'm gonna show you right now. This area, man, look at that art though. This area, this is where I take my students. Okay, you're learning hands down. Okay, I'm gonna make that turn in. I'm going really slow. You're gonna see some beautiful artwork. I know you see that. Isn't that beautiful? Then I come up, I'm square. I'm in both spots. I'm just gonna look. I'm in. Okay, I'm gonna put it in reverse. I roll straight back, and then I have to turn sharp because this is a really small parking spot. You see me looking around, checking. This is really extreme. Okay, you've seen some of these pictures before, really beautiful. So I'm just looking, checking traffic, taking my time. Man, it's like I'm four-wheeling, baby. All right, I'm gonna go around really slow. Take my time, and then I'm gonna pull in. I know you see that stuff on the wall, right? I'm gonna pull in real easy. I'm gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna look, because I don't wanna hit the front end of the car. And that's pretty nice. That's pretty unusual. It's tagging. Okay, I'm gonna roll straight back. I gotta back up small. And then I gotta cut my wheel all the way to the right. You're getting a really good parking tutorial, right? Just looking, and then I turn out. Now I'm gonna give you another stall parking spot. I don't wanna hit the car, so I turn back. And I'm gonna turn that wheel, get them real easy, and then I stop. I'm in, I'm square, you can see the car. I'm gonna roll straight back. Roll straight back, and then I'm gonna cut it all the way to the right, all the way to the left, excuse me. Man, there's so many police around here. What is going on? Okay, I gotta stay on the right side. I know you see these arrows, okay? This is two-way parking area, and this curb, look, this is New York, this is Chicago, this is Detroit. I'm gonna go down real easy, and then you're gonna see my man there with his 9 milli, right? Okay, we not scared, we follow law. Okay, I'm gonna make a right turn, no right turn on red. It's that Glock. I respect the law. I have people in my family who are law enforcement. So I gotta go up to the edge and it says no turn on red. I'm not even gonna mess with that. Why would you say no turn on red, then you turn on red? That's stupid. Don't be stupid. So I'm looking, I'm scanning, I'm taking my time. I'm just waiting. And then again, this is such a good area to take drivers, teens. I need to come down here, do more tutorials, get more drivers down here. I love this small, tight little area. I'm looking, now I'm gonna turn in the nearest lane. I'm gonna turn out. I'm gonna get over one lane to the left. Woo. There's a lot going on here. I'm gonna squeeze my brake and stop behind the stop line. That courthouse to the left. When I first started teaching driver's ed, a guy hit his head on, and my boss said, "Hey, you're gonna have to go to court." So I'm saying to myself, I'm not going to court. Okay? So they dropped the charges. So I'm looking, scanning, checking traffic. And this solar eclipse, you can't look at it. So I'm just scanning left and right. Another high quality area here. And I'm literally off the gas. So many good little tight turns here. I'm gonna squeeze my brake. I wanna see the rear of the tire on the ground. And thank God we're heading away from the sun. Just taking my time. Scanning, being smooth, and now we're on the one way. So if you're not real familiar with the areas, you can miss this, and that's real life. I'm looking ahead, taking my time. I'm squeezing my brakes because you can see all this traffic. And if you can't tell directions, East University Drive, you're going to get lost. And this is where a lot of beginners get overwhelmed. There's so much going on. And I'm trying to help you because I want to be your resource. And really, the yellow car up there needs to get over because they're holding us up. They should be getting over to the right to let all this traffic move. There are about 10 cars behind me. We have a yellow line to the left. That's the warning. And then we have a white line to the right. That's that edge line. And then we have a broken white line. I'm trying to keep my space. Speed limit here is 55. I'm right about 55. Had a half a tank of gas at 2,000 RPMs. And I was trying to go in really smooth. I'm lifting my foot a little bit. I'm a little close to this terrain. And some cars have safety features. We got the base model for the channel. Trying to be nice and smooth and deliberate. And then I'm going to accelerate through the curve because the speed limit changes. Amazon Prime. Bringing a lot of jobs to the area. They're the #1 retailer. That of Walmart in the world, so they supply jobs. Squeezing my brakes. And then what you're going to see is traffic spread out. And then they just road rage, so I'm going to use my blinker and get over. You saw me check my blind spot, right?